This video has been classified PG by the Unified Content Standard. It contains disturbing content such as sirens, loud noises, apocalyptic themes, minor cringe, extremely unrealistic scenarios, and a valid EAS tone. Vanta 526 recommends parental guidance for younger viewers.
This video was inspired by the video shown below and an unreleased Wario apparition scenario. In fact, this is considered somewhat of a retake of both scenarios. Credit to EAS Rises for the silence of death siren used in this scenario. This video also has subtitles for the hearing impaired.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the remnants of the United States government, in coordination with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. We regret to inform you that America has fallen. At 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, the entire movie database was reported to have been corrupted because of a failed attempt of leaking the series finale of The Amazing Digital Circus. Because of this, all movie theaters have permanently ceased operations earlier today. This has caused an anomalous chain of events, with some of them even shattering the laws of physics. Those events include, but are not limited to, sudden seismic activity, hostile entities resembling fictional characters coming out of devices, sudden temperature spikes, sudden meteor strikes, clouds turning into deadly objects, and even people spontaneously combusting for seemingly no reason. These entities can harm any living thing in a multitude of unconventional ways. In fact, an entity resembling the head of the fictional character Wario was seen possessing the sun and accelerating its life cycle to its red giant stage. 3 other entities resembling fictional characters were seen sneezing on cities, generating localized black holes, and possessing the moon to drag it down towards Earth respectively. NASA has confirmed that a tidal disruption event is imminent and will occur in around 15 minutes due to the distance between the sun and the newly formed black holes. Once the event occurs, every planet in the solar system, including Earth, will be instantly obliterated by a lethal burst of high-energy radiation. There is no way to stop or delay this event. At this time, follow this final set of instructions: stay indoors, gather those you care about, and move to an underground shelter. Embrace your loved ones and do any activity that makes you comfortable, including praying if you are religious. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. We will now sign off with the playing of our national anthem. We thank you for being a part of the American dream until the end. May God help us all, and may God bless America.